How to take accurate A-silicone impressions. So I'll be demonstrating you a two-step putty wash impression technique using A-silicone. For this, you need a right size of the impression tray along with a cellophane sheet almost cut to the size of the impression tray. You need the putty material, which in this case I have used A-silicone. You need a mixing tip. You need dispensing gun along with the light body material. Area which I am about to record is the prepared tooth, which is 1/4 and 1/6. The tray I have selected is covering all the teeth. So in the first step, I'll be recording a putty impression. So for that I need an equal quantity of base paste and the catalyst paste, and I'll be mixing them using the nitrile gloves. Remember not to use the latex gloves because the sulfur in the latex gloves might impair the polymerization of this material. So now I'm mixing this material. The mixing time is about. And then now once I mix this material, I place it on my impression tray like this. Alright, and then the cellophane sheet will be added on the top of this. Like this. Now is the time when you place it on the prepared teeth and wait for the material to come out like this. As you can see, the extension of the entire arch is recorded, and now the putty is set, so I can safely remove the cellophane sheet. Now the second part of the impression, where I have to use a light body over this impression made with the putty. So for this, the mixing tip has to be added on the dispensing gun, where I use the light body like this, twisted, and with this fine tip I'll inject the material over the prepared teeth like this. Alright, make sure that the tip does not lose the contact with the tooth anytime, because it might entrap the air bubbles. So I'm moving my tip always in contact with the soft and hard tissue, and then I will remove this tip and apply light body over this entire area. There you go. Now as I move this tray, it is always seated well, and the extra material can be seen coming out of the sulcus. Now you should hold this in the same position for next 2 minutes, because this is what the setting time of the light body is. And now it's the time to reveal the impression. Okay, so if you see, the molar and the premolars are beautifully recorded along with the margin using the putty, and all the details of the entire arch are beautifully captured in the impression. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps.